This video I've made to go over standard RP2 to help with RP2. It is questions 4 and 5 on the study guide, so we're just going to look at those two questions to go with standard RP2. So let's go down here to questions 4 and 5. Both of them are going to be set up fraction equal to fraction. So when they give us a ratio, for example, this ratio is 45 SUVs in 10 days. So that's a ratio. I like to write my ratio and label the top and the bottom. 45 SUVs in 10 days. So the ratio is all on the same side as the fraction here. So at this rate, how many SUVs will they build during the month of September? So you don't want to just put the month of September. You already have days down here, so you have to label days over here. And there are 30 days in September. So you know the bottom is 30 days, and so you're looking for the top, which is SUVs, because your label on the top has to be the same and your label on the bottom has to be the same. So when you're looking for this one here, some people see that you can just make the ratio bigger by timesing it by 3. 10 times 3 is 30, so 45 times 3 would give you 135 SUVs in the 30 days, or you could call this or in the month of September. Another way to solve this is cross products. You're missing this value here. So you multiply the two across that you have, which would be 45 times 30, and then divide by the only number left, 10, and that's also going to give you 135 SUVs. So part of this standard is just setting it up. SUVs today's, SUVs today's. You have this ratio, and they gave you this part, and you're missing the other part of the ratio. The other question that kind of goes with this standard RP2, they're going to give you the rate. 1 pound of sour gummy worms is 480. So this over here is actually your rate. And again, I like to label mine as fractions. You could put 1 pound on the top and 480 on the bottom. But whenever they give you the rate, I like to put the 1 on the bottom. That's just kind of how I like to do it. So 480 for 1 pound. So then you're looking for money on the top and pounds on the bottom, because we had pounds over here and pounds there. Could you have those flipped? Sure, as long as the top is both labeled pounds and the bottom is both labeled money, that works. So at this price, how much would 5 pounds? So now they're asking how much would 5 pounds cost? So a lot of people see if I need 5, then I already have the 1. I times it by 5 to get 5 pounds. So the cost is also multiplied by 5 to get $24. If you don't want to solve that way, you can use cross products. This is the one you're looking for. So you multiply the two across you have, 480 times 5. And then if you divide by the only number left, 1, you're still going to get $24. So these two questions set up fraction to fraction. This one uses the rate. This one you could have found the rate and then found it, but you don't have to go to the rate. You can go directly to it. Set up cross products as a way to solve RP.